Engine 3, Ladder 6, Squad 7, FD211, respond to 1419 East College Street for possible structure fire.
Alright, we do have a working fire, confirmed victim inside the structure. I want you guys to prepare for primary search on arrival. I'll have the squad get a line to the front door.
She's in there! Bravo Charlie bedroom!
Beckman. Hey, Beckman, you got a visitor.